Petrol price hike. Does putting Coca-Cola in your tank lower your car's
No.
fuel consumption?
Yes, I'm just gonna
No,
say
it
yes.
fucking
I'm gonna
doesn't.
take a wild
No.
shot. I'm taking a wild stab in the
No,
dark here.
man.
Yes, but you must use the no sugar, no caffeine. That's
Is it the
imperative that
1
you use
liter or
that
the
one.
1.5
This
liter or the
But
500? Which one
yeah,
works
no,
best?
you need to use the 2 liter because the
Oh,
500 is it's got too much oxygen in there. So when it becomes carbonized, then the original
crisp.
taste will take over the petroleum. You understand? So
Right, right.
don't make that mistake. All right, that's a common mistake
Okay.
that people
this
make.
this I found this article, and this is specifically for Mikhail because I know he's a car buff.
It's cringing.
Mikhail, tell us, do you put Coca-Cola in any of your Mercedes? Be honest now. Eh?
No, no,
'Cause
I put petroleum and some fucking common sense.
There you have it, people. Petroleum and common sense.
There you go.
The common sense is free.
Common sense is free. Petroleum, however, is 26 rand a liter. You heard it first. Look, guys, this for the time school for stupid measures.
Wait, okay, so I did read the article because I was curious, and
Okay, what did it
it's someone did a TikTok video and showed it,
Oh,
and they put Coke in their car, and then they claimed that it worked. But the article says don't do it. They spoke to a mechanic. The mechanic says if you do it, you're gonna screw up your engine. Don't
My
do
guy, you
it.
could have
It's
spoken
fake.
to a vet. You didn't need to speak to a mechanic.
no, you don't have to. You didn't have to go to a specialist.
You could have spoken to a pediatrician. You could have spoken to
Dude down the street could have told you that
pool
shit.
cleaner. You could have spoken to a plumber. You could have spoken to anybody. Like you could have gone to McDonald's drive-thru and gone, "Yo, can I put some of this Coca-Cola in here? What do you think? Give me 2 cups." And they would have been like, "Nah, my guy, don't do that.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Big Mac and get the fuck out of here."
That's going to be the title of my new internet video. 2 cars, 1 cup.